I want to show you guys what we're doing here. We are repainting the same color, just the walls, only that this has a sheen to it. We're doing 2 coats. That is Wilmer. I'm going to show you guys what we are doing. We covered all the furniture. Show you what we're doing here. This room is completely done. 2 coats, 2-coat process. Look at those straight lines. Just beautiful, beautiful lines. 2 coats all the time. Doesn't matter, just 2 coats. I have one guy in here. He's cutting. Look at those straight lines. That's what we do here in ZonaBrush. Got one guy here in the ladders. He's painting. Just want to show you guys the project here that we have done. We cover all the furniture, of course. Cover everything.